Lesson 31. Helping to find something. I can't find my glasses and I can't see anything. Can you help me find a few things? No problem. What are you looking for? My laptop. Do you see it? Yes, your laptop is on the chair. Where is my book? Which one? The dictionary. It's under the table. Where is my pencil? There's a pencil in front of the lamp. How about my backpack? Do you know where that is? It's in between the wall and the bed. Where are my shoes? They are on the left side of the TV. I don't see them. Sorry, I made a mistake. They are on the right side of the TV. Thanks. Oh, and here are your glasses. They are next to your cell phone. Lesson 32. Paying for dinner. Excuse me, check please. Okay, how was everything? Very nice, thank you. Would you like this to go? Yes, can you put it in a plastic bag? Sure, no problem. Here you are. That will be $25. Do you take credit cards? Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard. Okay, here you are. Thanks, I will be right back. Here's your receipt. Okay. Lesson 33. For buying a plane ticket. Next please. Hello, how can I help you? I would like to buy a ticket to New York. Would you like one way or round trip? Round trip. When will you be leaving? When does the next plane leave? In about 2 hours? I would like a ticket for that flight, please. First class or coach? Coach. That will be $120. Okay. Thank you. Here's your change. Lesson 34. Keep things in order. Shaheen, can you help me clean things up before we go? Sure. Where should I put this cup? Put it on top of the table. How about this fruit? Oh, that goes in the refrigerator. And those pencils? What should I do with them? Bring those upstairs and put them in the bedroom. Give it to me. I need to use it. How about this pen? What do you want me to do with that paper over there? You can throw that away. I don't need it anymore. Alright, then please put it in a bag and take it outside. The trash is full. Okay, now what? I think we are finished. Can you please turn off the lights and shut the door? Sure. Lesson 35. In a restaurant. This looks like a nice restaurant. Yeah, it is. I come here all the time. Let's sit over there. Okay. Can you pass me a menu, please? Sure. What are you going to have to drink? I'm going to have a glass of beer. How about you? I think I will have a glass of wine. Do you want to order an appetizer first? Not really. Maybe we can just order some bread. Okay, what are you going to have to eat? I'm not sure. I have not decided yet. Can you recommend something? Sure. I have had the steak and the lobster before. They are both very good. I think I will have the lobster. What are you going to have? I'm not that hungry. I think I'm just going to have a salad. Lesson 36. I need to wash my clothes. Hi Mina, come in. Wow, your apartment is a mess. I know, I didn't have time to put things away before you got here. Look, are those all your clothes on the couch? Yes. Are they clean? Actually, most of them are dirty. I have not done laundry in a while. I usually wait until I can do it at my parents' house. My sister and I usually go to the laundromat down the street. Why don't you go there? I know I should, but that place is not very convenient. You have to wait for a long time. Yes, I know. I have to do it every week. Anyway, are you ready to go? No, I'm not ready yet. I still have to brush my teeth and wash my face. Can you wait for a few minutes? Okay, but please hurry. I think the restaurant is closing soon. Lesson 37. Finding a suitable store. Poonam, where is the closest ATM? It's not that far. Do you see that yellow building over there? The big one or the small one? The big one. Yes, it's right next to it on the right. I really need to get some things before I leave. Well, you could go down to 22nd Street. There are a lot of stores down there and that are open 24 hours a day. Can I take the subway to get there? Yes, but that will probably take about half an hour. Won't that be expensive? No, from here I think it's only about $5. Lesson 38. Location and direction. Professor, where is Canada? Canada is north of here. Can you show me on the map? Sure, look here. Canada is north of the United States. Oh, I see. Where is Mexico? Mexico is south of the United States. What state is west of Pennsylvania? Ohio. Okay, where is Los Angeles? Los Angeles is in California. It's southeast of San Francisco. Where is Boston? Boston is on the northeast part of the country. Where is Las Vegas? Las Vegas is in the southwest. Lesson 39. I ate at the hotel. Hi Maria, did you have breakfast yet? Yes, I ate at the hotel with my son and my husband. Oh, they have good food there. What did you have? I had some cereal, fried eggs and orange juice. How was it? The food didn't taste very good and actually I don't feel very well now. Okay, I'm going to the drugstore later. Is there anything I can get for you? No, that's okay. I think if I rest for a little while, I will feel better. Lesson 40. Going for watching movie. Eva, what do you want to do tonight? I would like to go for watching a movie. I heard Titanic is playing at the movie theater. Oh, I have heard that's a good movie. What time does it start? 6:30 p.m. It's a long movie. I think it lasts for about 3 hours. Will you come and pick me up? What time? I think we should get there early because they might be sold out. Is 5 p.m. okay? Yes, that will be fine. I will meet you at your house at 5 p.m. Do you want to get something to eat before the movie? Okay then, I will pick you up a little earlier and we can go to the Thai restaurant next to the theater. Is that okay? Yes, I like that place. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching the video and পরবর্তী ভিডিওর জন্য আমার চ্যানেলটি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন। দেখা হবে নেক্সট কোনো ভিডিওতে। সে পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। খোদা হাফেজ।